Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super fun makeup tutorial for you. I know Burning Man is coming up, so I thought I'd do a festival makeup look. I am freaking obsessed with this makeup. I wish I'd worn it to Splendor in the Grass that I went to last month. I guess now I'm gonna have to go to another festival to wear this. Yeah, that's my reasoning behind whether or not I should go to Falls Festival. So we have these beautiful glittery eyes. I am so freaking obsessed. I'm obsessed with glitter anyway, so you know I love this look. As usual, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you do like it, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more videos from me. Now, if you'd like to see how to get this beautiful glittery goodness, then just keep watching. Funny story, I thought I found a grey hair today, but it was just paint in my hair. So if you see paint under my nails, I'm still working on a video for my craft channel. So I'm gonna start off by pinning these bits out of the way and get my phone out of the background. Now we want to prime our eyes. I'm going to use the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in Ignite. If you find your eyeshadow palette is really dry and not sticking to your eyes, this stuff will literally save the palette. So I'm just going to color in my eyelids, and I'm just going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Now I saw dom.ski on Instagram. If you don't follow him, go check him out. He does the most beautiful makeup looks. He created this like smoky blue glittery goodness for BeautyCon, and I sort of want to do something similar but in pink. So I'm going to start off with the shade Bubblegum. I have a vision in my head of how I want this to look, but I don't really know what I'm doing. So we'll see how this goes. Blend out any creasing. Now you want to press the eyeshadows in so it sticks to the primer, and then blend it. So I'm just going to start off with this light pink in my crease and blend it out. Now I'm just going to switch to a smaller Sigma E25 brush and really pack that color on in my crease. Next up, I'm going to take Cherry Wet, which is this darker, almost red pinkish color. And I'm going to blend this into my outer V to really define the eyes. Next up, I'm going to grab my NARS Soft Matte Complete Conceal and a teeny tiny brush. I'm going to use this to half cut my crease. So for our first lid color, I'm going to take Snack, which is a beautiful shimmery pink shade. I need to stop using the word beautiful to describe everything. Expand your vocabulary, cat. So I'm just going to pat this on the inner third quarter of my eyelid. Actually, let's make it inner half. Have any of you guys ever been to Burning Man before? The fashion and like the art installations look really cool, but I'm not sure if I could actually handle going and camping in the desert. And apparently you don't have like money, you have to like trade stuff. I don't even know what I would trade. I guess I could trade like makeup, maybe? Is that something? Like I could do other people's makeup in exchange for water. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Cotton Candy to blend the light pink and the dark pink together. I'm just gonna pat it on to like sandwich it in between. And that shade has a hell of a lot of fallout. I'm really liking this so far. So I'm gonna take Virgin, which is the matte white in the palette. Just use this as my brow bone highlight. Now for the glitter, I'm gonna use this glitter by Glitter Palace. I have had this for a very, very, very long time, and I urge you to find a biodegradable glitter instead. If I had known how bad glitter was for the environment back when I bought all my glitters, I would have gone for a biodegradable glitter instead. Now on Instagram, Dom had the glitter like in his crease and like lower lash line. We'll get to the lower lash line, but let's try the crease first. So I'll just admire how pretty this is looking for a moment, just in case I completely ruin this. So I think I'm just gonna use my finger and put on some glitter glue and glitter. Oh, that is so pretty. Why have I never tried this before? I normally put glitter on my cheeks or like on my lid, but glitter in the crease is so cool. Oh my god, I hope this is looking as cool on camera as it looks in person. So now I'm just gonna line my top lash line with my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. Now let's clean up this fallout before we do our base. I'm just gonna grab some micellar water and I'm just gonna wipe away any fallout. Okay, for our base, I'm gonna start off by priming with the Smashbox Photo Finish Water. I said that very Australian-like, water. Anyway, and I'm gonna try and not get this on my eyeshadow. Also, this top keeps falling down. So hopefully we don't have a little wardrobe malfunction today. Now for foundation, I'm just gonna use my Holy Grail Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. You've seen me use this a million times. Ooh, uh-oh. I ordered Uber Eats and they're on their way. And I've like half done my foundation and have glitter eyeshadow. Sorry, cat. Gustavio is almost here with my burger and chips. Just had to collect my Uber Eats order looking a wee bit like a crazy person. Let's finish our base and not talk with food in our mouth. Okay, let's do our concealer and powder, and there's herbs on my lip. Concealer and powder, and then I'm gonna have a little snack break. So for concealer, I'm gonna use the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and I'm just gonna, you know, put some in the usual places under my eyes, forehead, Cupid's bow and chin. And then we want to blend that out. Now I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder to set the concealer. So I'm just taking some on an F35 brush by Sigma and patting that on. And to set the rest of my face, I'm just going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. Okay, snack time. Oh, I could totally turn this video into a mukbang. Maybe another day. Okay, I'm back. Now for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette. And I'm just gonna use the bronze shade to bronze up my face. So I'm just going on my cheekbones, my jaw. I only ate the chips and I have a burger just sitting next to me that I really want to eat. I should probably film this video first. And I was gonna film like a try-on festival fashion haul after this. So burger and chips might not have been the best choice for lunch, but we'll see how it goes. I feel like that's my life motto right now. We'll see how it goes. Then for blush, I was gonna take the peachy shade, but I always go for the peachy shades. I'm gonna take this like cool tone shade here and apply that to my cheeks. I'm also gonna apply some to my nose. And then I'm just gonna take the highlight shade in the palette and use that as my highlighter. I really wanna eat you. Maybe just a bite. I'm probably gonna ruin my makeup. Oh my god, you smell so good. Yum. Okay, I need to put you away, I'm gonna eat you. So base is done, let's finish off these eyes. I'm gonna start off with a pencil brush and bubble gum. I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go back in with Cherry Wet, just on the same pencil brush, and apply this to the outer corners so that it matches our top eyeshadow. Then with a clean pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with Jawbreaker. And I'm gonna use this to brighten up my inner corner. So I'm just gonna apply it right here. So now Dom had chunky, I don't even know if that's his name. That's his like Instagram handle, Domski. Anyway, he had chunky glitter on his lower lash line. It looked really cool, so we're gonna do that too. So first off is the glitter primer, then the glitter. You also do not want to get this into your eye. I think I'm going to need to apply this with a brush because I'm getting it everywhere. So to finish off my eyes, I'm just going to add some mascara to my lower lash line. I couldn't see my mascara anywhere for a second there. Add some mascara to my lower lashes, sorry. So now moving on to brows, I'm going to use my Sigma brow pencil. And I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. You've also seen me do this a million times. So now all we have left to do is our lips. I want something pink and glossy. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips with this lip liner I've had for far too long. It is the Balm Pickup Liner in Pineapple. Should have probably cleaned the foundation off my lips first. Oh well. And then for my lip colour, I'm going to use this Bare Minerals gloss in the shade Head Turner. Just this beautiful pinky gold colour. Tastes kind of minty. I should add my crown. And so here we have the finished look. I am so happy with it. I wish I'd actually worn this to Splendor in the Grass. It looks so freaking cool. Hopefully you guys wear it somewhere. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I want to see it. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more videos from me. I hope you have an amazing time at whatever festival you're going to or wherever you're wearing this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys! Oh, also, I feel like I'm gonna get asked this. I actually made the crown. I didn't buy it anywhere. Now I'm gonna know who stayed to the end of the video. Okay, bye guys.